Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Audacity unanticipated host error. This error usually pops up when Audacity can't properly access your microphone or audio device, and it can be really frustrating when you're trying to record. The good news is that this is typically a permissions or driver issue that can be resolved with just a few adjustments in your system settings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, the one with the Windows icon. This will open up your Start menu where you can access all of your system settings and applications. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the main Settings hub where you can control everything from privacy to system configurations. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Privacy. This section controls which apps and programs have permission to access various features on your computer, including your microphone, camera, and other hardware. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of privacy options. Click on Microphone. This is where you'll manage which applications are allowed to use your microphone for recording. Now, look for the option that says Allow apps to access your microphone. Below it, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This is crucial because if this setting is disabled, no applications, including Audacity, will be able to access your microphone at all. This is one of the most common reasons why Audacity throws the unanticipated host error. Next, you'll need to allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Below that option, you'll see another toggle switch. Make sure this one is also turned on. This setting is specifically for traditional desktop applications like Audacity, as opposed to modern Windows Store apps. Enabling this ensures that desktop programs have the necessary permissions to use your audio devices and features. Alternatively, if the microphone permissions don't resolve the issue, you can try updating your audio drivers. Click the Start button in the bottom left corner again, then type Device Manager into the search box and click it from the search results. This will open the Device Manager window, which lists all the hardware components installed on your computer. Look for Sound, Video, and Game controllers at the bottom of the list and double-click it to expand. This will reveal all your audio devices, including your microphone, speakers, and any other sound hardware. Find your audio device from the list, then right-click on it and select Update Driver. This will open a new window where Windows will search for the latest driver software for your audio device. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now scan online and on your computer for any updated drivers that might fix compatibility issues with Audacity. Wait a moment while this process completes, as it may take a minute or two depending on your internet connection and system performance. After the driver update is complete, or if Windows says your drivers are already up to date, restart your Audacity app. This will ensure that all the new permissions and driver updates are properly applied. The unanticipated host error should now be resolved and you'll be able to record audio without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Audacity unanticipated host error by adjusting your microphone permissions or updating your audio drivers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.